Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm setting up myself with another challenge. I'm really setting up myself for failure. But anyways, today I'm gonna meal prep for myself using 7 ingredients and 7 meals. Maybe I should call this video 7 meals, 7 ingredients, or 7 meals under $7, 7 ingredients. And I'm gonna perform this under 30 minutes. So that is the challenge. I haven't even talked about the challenge. Oh my god, I'm a genius. Let's get started. Gotta tie up my hair. This is a serious face mask. Okay, I'm gonna pop the camera here. Okay, everybody, I got my angle. 30 minutes. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Let's start. Crap. Okay, alright. Okay, oh my god, what do I do first? So first, oh my god, turn on this camera. I'm gonna marinate my chicken with some soy sauce. So I'm using chicken thigh here because it's a more juicy cut, you know? I like it juicy, I don't like it dry. And I'm gonna add a little bit of stevia. So you can use honey or stevia, but stevia is just a lot easier to mix in. So just 3 droplets, or maybe 4. And then I'm gonna add some pepper. We can do this, everybody. Okay, okay, what's next? What should I put in here? Ginger powder. This is crucial. Oh wow, that's a lot of ginger, guys. And then I'm just gonna marinate it for, I don't know, like 5 minutes, and I'll pop it in the oven. So if you want to, you can also trim off the chicken fat, but I didn't really do that because the oven's just gonna melt it off, so it'll be fine. So the chicken is kind of ready. Now I'm going to prep the other ingredients. So we have 7 ingredients here. We're gonna start with the ingredients that's gonna take the longest to cook. This is the trick. I have a few tricks up my sleeve. We're gonna prep our rice. Let's cook rice. You're not supposed to keep rice for more than a day or 2 because it's gonna ferment and you're gonna get like bloating issues and you're gonna have stomach ache. But oh well, I'm gonna cook a little bit less, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna boil some water, as you can hear now, and cook my rice with it while I'm waiting for Guys, I can't multitask, so it's really difficult for me right now. I'm gonna peel some sweet potato. Okay, now let's cook the rice on the stove. Oh my god. Also, my oven is preheated because if my oven is not preheated, it's game over. Like, you can't get this done in time. So the deal with the sweet potato is I'm gonna use it as a toast. So I'm gonna slice it like a toast, and I'm gonna slice some of them just as it is. Okay, we have 23 minutes left. We can do this. I think I spent way too much time talking. Oh my god. Sweet potatoes done. Now we're gonna pop it on the tray. Oh, rice is done. Right, we're gonna put our sweet potato on a baking sheet like these. I'm gonna cut some capsicum and pop it on the tray as well. 20 minutes left and I haven't popped anything in the oven. Oh my god, guys. Still chopping my capsicum. Oh my god, don't chop my fingers, please. Don't chop my fingers. Alright. I'm gonna put some of these bell peppers. Little bell peppers. Woo. So this is how it looks like now. My tray. Oh my god. My knife. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna season it with some salt. Lots of salt on my potato. Okay. And olive oil. Okay, first thing in the oven. Now we're gonna pop our chicken thigh in the oven too. So there's a few ways you can do this chicken. I'm going to pop a few non-flavored one too, in case if you guys don't, like soy. I mean, who doesn't like soy? Soy is yummy. if you don't like tamari sauce or soy sauce, I have a problem with you. Like, it's the best thing ever. But if you want a healthier version, just do a herb with some, I guess some oil. I mean salt and pepper. Sorry, I can't multitask. Alright, we're just gonna pop this in the oven as well. Some salt, pepper, and oregano. So fancy. I'm the oregano bae, alright? That's done. Now the chicken into the oven. Oh my god, I forgot about my chickpeas, guys. So now the chickpeas into a pot. You can use canned chickpeas or, you know, dried chickpeas, but those have to be soaked and cooked the night before. A can of tomato sauce. I mean, diced tomatoes. It's not sauce, okay? It's pure diced tomatoes. I think that's too much chickpeas. I wanted to make hummus with this. I'm gonna add some oregano again because I'm the oregano bae. Some paprika, a little bit of cumin. This is like Moroccan chickpeas recipe. A little bit of chipotle powder just to make it a little bit more spicy. I like it a little bit spicy. Oh my god, I'm getting so stressed out. This is too stressful for me. Oh my god. We only have 30 minutes left. Let's cut a bit more capsicum. We're gonna pop this into the stew. Okay, now we are gonna cook some eggs. Eggs? Yeah, eggs. The rice is done. So now we're gonna cook some eggs. We're gonna need to boil the water first, which is boiling right now. As you can hear, it's really loud in here, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm still gonna talk anyway. Right, awesome. We have 10 minutes left, so the eggs is gonna take about 6.5 minutes to cook. I like it kind of like soft in the middle, so that's gonna take about 6.5 minutes. And I'm gonna cook up the kale, and that's it. I think we might be just in time. Things are still cooking up in the oven. It's looking pretty good, I think. Oh my god. How cute is this mittens? It's a mushroom mittens. Oh my god, it has been like 3 minutes. The water is not boiled yet. I'm getting stressed. I'm gonna pop my eggs in there first. I mean, I'm cheating here. This is not how I normally cook my eggs. I normally let it boil first and then pop in my eggs slowly because I don't want it to crack. But this will do for now. Slowly. Hey Google, turn on the timer.
Sure, for how long?
Oh my god, it's working. For 6.5 minutes.
Okay, 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
We only have 5 minutes 30 seconds left, and the egg's gonna take another 60 seconds to cook. Anyway, let's prep the kale. You know what the problem is? I talk way too much. That's the problem. That's the reason why I couldn't do it in time. Right? But close anyway. I mean, if I don't chop, I think we've been a little bit more successful. You reckon? Maybe not? Do you guys reckon? I'm gonna prep all the ingredients separately, and when I wanna eat them, I'll just put them together because that's when I think it tastes the best, the freshest, because when when the ingredients mix together for a day or two, I think it's just a little bit gross. But personally, I just don't eat that much prep food anymore just because of my digestive issues. So yeah, okay. Nobody's interested in this. That's my kale. I'm gonna just blanch it. If you want to eat it raw, you can. I'm gonna rinse it and blanch it. Do you guys hear that? Something popped in the oven. But anyway, the food in the oven's ready. Oishi! We have 1 minute left and the kale is almost ready. It's cooking now. Here. The rice is ready. Kale is ready. Now I'm gonna put them all in a container. I can be on MasterChef, right, guys? Like, what do you think? Of course not, Chloe. Of course not. Uh-oh. Time's up. Okay, so pretty much everything is ready, like almost ready. So I pretty much didn't fail. I'm 1 minute too late because of the eggs, but all the ingredients are ready. So I did it, guys. I managed to prep 7 ingredients in about 30 minutes, not really under 30 minutes. It took me 32 minutes, so I kind of failed the challenge, but you know what? If I didn't talk, if I didn't eat while I'm cooking, I'll be fine, all right? So I get quite a lot of comments that you guys don't have time to cook or you're under a strict budget. So as you can see, you can prep 7 ingredients, at least 7 to 10 meals under 30 minutes. And also, all these ingredients are really affordable, especially if you are picking the things that are in season. For example, like chicken thigh can be really affordable, especially if you're from United States, like they're so cheap. Just choose vegetables that are in season. If capsicum's really cheap, get capsicum. If carrot's really cheap, carrots are always cheap, so get carrot. The chickpea recipe is only about $1.50, and that's like 4 portions, you know what I mean? So that's really affordable. So I definitely believe that you can eat healthily at home under strict budget and also, you know, under time pressure, I guess. Like if you have 15 minutes to cook, just whip up one of these meals. Easy, guys. Anyways, now I'm gonna use these 7 ingredients to make into 7 different meal ideas. So yeah, let's do this because I'm hungry. I want to eat this. Okay, let's make our first meal. This is a lighter meal, great for breakfast or if you're not feeling too hungry. Lay out some sweet potatoes, followed by some kale, avocado, and top it out with some eggs. Add some salt and pepper, and you're done. And if you're vegan, you can substitute the egg with chickpeas, and you got your vegan sweet potato toast. Second meal, we're gonna have a rice bowl. Add some kale, capsicums, and a piece of that juicy chicken. I like adding a little bit more tamari sauce and a bit of ginger powder, and that's it. Easy lunch. On to the third meal idea, which will use some sweet potatoes instead of rice for your carbs. Try to get mini capsicums like these because you know you don't have to chop them up and also they're tastier. Add in some kale, egg and avocado and fill the rest of the bowl with that Moroccan style chickpeas. The fourth meal is really simple. If you want a really quick meal, fill half a bowl with rice, add in some kale, capsicums and chickpeas and that's it. So for the fifth meal, which is a vegan sweet potato toast, lay out some sweet potatoes followed by either kale or avocado and top it out with some Moroccan style chickpeas with some mini capsicums which you can have as the side. Super easy. For the sixth meal, put together some sweet potatoes, kale, capsicums and chicken and top it off with an egg and that's it. And for the final meal idea, this is a really good one if you're really hungry. Get all the ingredients except for the potatoes in there. Just remember, when it comes to meal prepping, you just need to be mindful of having a well-balanced diet. Just make sure you have carbs, protein, and fat, and lots of vegetables. Alright guys, those are my 7 meals, and I still have a bit of chicken and eggs left. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and also turn on notification, and I'll see you in the next video.